Hello everyone, this is Dr. Pourgol. I'm President of National Academy of Osteopathy in Canada, National University of Medical Sciences in this beautiful Spain where I am right now, and National University of Medical Sciences in United States. And I want to speak to you today about why I work so hard to create successful, wealthy manual osteopaths. My goal in life is to ensure every town with a population of 100,000 people have access to manual osteopathic care. Manual osteopathy does wonders in treating chronic pain. We treat last resort cases others cannot help, and we provide relief for them so they can enjoy day-to-day activities of life. As such, I believe everyone in the world should have access to manual osteopathic care. To do that, I have to attract others to study manual osteopathy. And by creating successful, wealthy manual osteopaths, I ensure other people become attracted to the profession. I offer my students over 200 business management lectures so they can run their clinics smoothly and effectively. My business lectures are the reason why my graduates have annual gross income of $150,000, which is $60,000 more than other manual osteopaths. I teach them everything I know about business, from tax planning, marketing, advertising, accounting, asset protection, and so on. Aside from attracting people to study manual osteopathy, I also have other motivation for making my students successful financially. As you know, money solves a lot of problems in the world. When there is not enough money, poverty causes a lot of problems in the world. When I started teaching this over 10 years ago, there was not much research into it, but now they have done tons of research. Now they know money does indeed buy happiness. Yes, money does buy happiness. Research has proven it. There are two types of happiness money can buy: short-term, long-term. Short-term through buying toys like a good car, good clothes, and so on. Long-term through experiences like traveling, and also delegating your work to somebody else so you have more time to spend on the things you love. But aside from that, money, people who are wealthy, and research has shown that these people they live 8 years longer than other people. 8 years. Can you imagine that? 8 years. So by creating successful, wealthy manual osteopaths, I help them to live longer for 8 years. That is the best reward I can get. Everybody should aim for that. I don't understand why other schools don't teach things like this. It helps the people of the world. If you can give this gift to them, that they can spend 8 years in this beautiful world, which I'm grateful to God for allowing me to see. There is an olive tree right there. I see black olives on it, and to see all this beautiful world that God has created, for them to enjoy this 8 more years, to spend time with their family and loved one. This is such a blessing God has bestowed upon me, to be able to share my knowledge and help them enjoy this life and this beautiful world for 8 more years. What else can a teacher want? That is a huge responsibility, and I believe all schools should teach something like that to make their own graduates successful financially. Aside from living a longer life, research has shown people who are wealthy, they lead a healthier life. In Italy, they done a research on 10,000 people. Even though you know Mediterranean diet is healthy and helps you a lot with staying healthy, it only works if you make 40,000 euro per year or more. Under that, the stress of poverty affects you so much that the Mediterranean Italian diet has no effect on your health. So to become healthier and to reap the benefits of a healthy diet, you have to not have the stress, and you have to not worry about money, and otherwise that positive effects are cancelled. Wealthy people also, research has shown, that have better, healthier relationships. There is less chance of divorce in the wealthy people as compared to the ones who are poor. Additionally, those who are wealthy can offer more things to the people of their country, men and women, and to their country. They have more purchasing power, so it means they can buy more things and help their countrymen and women. Also, they will pay more tax, which helps the country they live in. Additionally, charities benefit a lot because those who are wealthy pay more to charities, research has shown, and as a result, those charities benefit as well. I support about 40 people, family members and others back home with financial support every month. If I was not wealthy, I would not have the opportunity to help these people. Money helps many cases. Lack of money is the reason behind so many problems in the world. I strongly believe by creating wealthy manual osteopaths, I will solve a lot of problems of the world. I create money for the countries that I love, where they practice, and I create more jobs and more purchasing power in the world. I improve the world by creating wealthy manual osteopaths. That is why I constantly think on a daily basis how to improve lives of my students, how to make them more financially secure, because I want their future to be protected. This is so important. That is how we were able to expand osteopathy so fast, so much. I have expanded osteopathy to 72 countries because others get attracted to study manual osteopathy once they see my students are successful. And I wish everybody to have a wealthy life, because it creates so much better life for them. It makes them healthier. It makes them have a happier, healthier relationships, helps the country they practice in, and offers so much benefit to them. These are the reasons why I teach everything I know to my students, to make them better human beings, more successful, helping them live longer and attract others to study osteopathy, so osteopathy can be expanded worldwide. Osteopathy is a miraculous, it's a beautiful profession. Everybody in the world deserves to have access to manual osteopathic care. This is my lifelong mission, to ensure every town has a manual osteopath in it. Hopefully one of my students. That's it for today. Again, I'm grateful to God for allowing me to visit Spain one more time. It's a beautiful country, and it's just lovely with all this beauty around me. I love Spain. I love everything that sun shines on. The sun is so beautiful. Right now it's shining. Thank you for watching this video. I pray for you wherever you are. God give you a happy, healthy, wealthy day. And God bless. Namaste.